Hello friends, it's Jama Malmi, and today I have an unboxing for you. I did this a couple weeks ago and you seem to like unboxings, so I thought I would try it again. I'm excited for this Halloween kit that I got. So I ordered just a whole bunch of random stuff, some things from the new catalog, but just like things that I've been meaning to order or have run out of, and then this Halloween kit. So I'm going to show you a quick look at this because I'm going to do a more thorough walkthrough of just the Halloween kits. But look at how cute this new stamp set is, and it comes with matching dies. So everything that has the blue shaded has dies. Look at that cute little spider web that can go around the corner of your photos. So cute. And then here are how the dies come. They come on a magnetic sheet already. So nice and handy, everything in this little envelope. And then this paper and sticker collection is super cute. It's like very boho. I love the colors. We've got the new melon color. And then look at the stars. I am a sucker for stars. So I love this star paper. And then the back has these cute Halloween icons. And then there's the cute melon color with just black and white dots. And then we've got some potion bottles and stuff like that. And then this cute little cat and pumpkins. So very Halloween themed on these ones, but the other ones could kind of go either way or just use the reverse side. And then lots of fun icons on here. I also got the melon dots and the coordinating cardstock that goes with this kit, because if you buy this whole bundle together, you save some money. It's actually like only a couple bucks more to buy the whole bundle rather than just buy the paper and the dies. So these were like practically free to add these. And then I got my toffee shimmer brush. If you guys caught my beach videos, you saw that I really wanted a toffee shimmer brush to splatter on the sand, but I just dipped my regular shimmer brush into toffee ink. But now I've got the toffee shimmer brush, so excited for that. I got some more thin 3D foam dots because I use these a lot, and the price is going up by about 50 cents with the new catalog, or with the current catalog ending. So September 1st, there's some price increases on some items. I got the Workspace Wonder small tray and mini tray, and I'll show you where this is gonna go. I rearranged my Workspace Wonder and how my stamp pad stacks are and everything. So after I do this unboxing, I'll show you how that's set up, but I've got a bunch of filming stuff in the way of it now. So I'll show you how I'm going to be using those and my new setup for how I am arranging stamp pads, sprays, pens, shimmer brushes, ribbon, all that kind of stuff. All right, I got this cover plate, the stitched swirl background, because I forgot to order it when I got the September special bundle. So these two stamp sets are part of a few that are being offered for the September special. There's like stencil and die sets that go along with the stamps, and the stamps have coordinating dies. I've already played with that one. I used it in my last membership video. And then there's this die with the matching stencils. That's going to be fun. And then somehow I forgot to add this. This just adds like little stitched swirls to the background and then a stitched border. So got that to add. This is from the new core catalog. I am a sucker for stars, like I mentioned, so I wanted to get this stamp set. This doesn't have coordinating dies that come with it, but this star is meant to use with the new star die that comes separately and you can make into a shaker card. So I just thought that this would be fun to play with on its own, even without shakers though. I got this stamp set because it was on my list and I just hadn't ordered it yet. I love that every single one of these comes with a coordinating die. And I saw Erin at Crafty Concepts with Erin play with this on one of her recent layouts. And I was like, okay, that needs to go on my next order. So I ordered this one and excited to play with that. That's gonna look really pretty with the flower shop collection. This is an upcoming stamp of the month. It is, I believe it is November. And so it's got some Christmas themes in it. I thought that that was really pretty. This one's funny. It's the most wonderful, cross out, exhausting time of the year. That would be fun to put on some stuff. So this I'm planning to use in the 31 Days of Christmas cards event that's coming up. I got one of the new Tombow Mono Air adhesive runners and a couple of refills because I had been meaning to get this. This is the new model. My daughter loves to craft with me and it's hard for her to use my big guy. So I typically will use this, but my daughter will use the smaller tape runners. And so I like to have these on hand for her especially. But if you have trouble with the big old honking ones, the Tombow ones are great. So I finally updated a few of my ink pads. I actually didn't ever have shortbread or flamingo, which is kind of amazing that I never had those ones. I had some older pinks that I would use in place of flamingo, and then shortbread I just never really stamped. So I finally got these, and then Glacier and Lagoon were the last ones that I had of this old style that were current colors. So I decided, you know what, I am just going to update those so that all of the stamp pads I have out are the new style. Now I do still keep my old retired colors, the old pads, in my closet if I ever need any of them, but I just wanted them all to look pretty since I redid all my organization. And don't these colors look pretty together? Glacier, Flamingo, Lagoon, and Shortbread. That would be a really pretty combo. All right, as makers, we get to order some supply items like labels for the ink pads. So the ink pads actually changed how they look. They've got this kind of floral on it instead of this is how they used to look. So we were able to buy just the labels. So if we want to update with the current label, and there's even this little tiny one for right here, we can do that. So if any of you would like to do that, and you're not a maker, just let me know and I can order these for you and ship them to you. It would just be, I think they're like $5 to order and you get every color, every current color. And then same thing with this cardstock sampler. It comes with every color of cardstock. It's all shrink wrapped in here. But I usually get these when there's a new release of colors because then all of the new colors, everything that's current will be in here, and it says the name on it. And these are nice to just kind of hold up to things and see if it's going to match, and just handy to have. And it comes with the ring and this. I believe these are $4 or $5 as well. So again, if you'd like me to order this for you, I am happy to do so, and just you would just have to pay the shipping to get it to you. All right, and I ordered one of the 8.5 by 11 Everyday Life albums because I'm doing an 8.5 by 11 scrapbook for my sister, and I forgot to order this on my last order. And wouldn't you know, I forgot to put the page protectors on this order. So I still have to order more page protectors for her because I just ran out. And then I got a Pocket Plus Design 2 because I was running low on this design. I use these all the time. If you guys catch my process videos, which is what I normally post, I use these a lot. So this is the 4x6 portrait orientation Pocket Plus pages. They just go right in between your two 12 by 12 pages. They will also fit in an 8.5 by 11 binder if you want. They might just stick up a little bit, but you could use them with 8.5 by 11 if you wanted. But these also come in 3x4 sizes and 4x4. I got another Versamat. You guys know I love my Versamat. I have 3 of them already. This is now my 4th because they're just so handy, and sometimes I might have like a work in progress on 2 of them and I don't want to mess up like how everything's all laid out, and so I want 2 more for the video I'm going to record. So these are going up in price, I believe, by $1. So if you've had these on your list, then be sure to grab them before the end of August. I decided to get the 4 Seasons Autumn paper collection. Now I decided not to get the paper or the sticker sheet with this, because I have so many autumn stickers already from the Crisp Air collection, and I really just wanted these papers to mix in with the Crisp Air collection because a lot of the colors are similar, and I love this wood grain. It's just such a deep like mocha color, and so I really wanted that. So this is going to pair nicely with the Crisp Air collection, which I'm in love with. I have been trying to hold off posting autumn pictures and layouts because it doesn't feel like it's right. It's too early for that for me. So I'm trying to hold off at least until September. So pretty soon I should be ready. And then I got this starter cut above kit 1. Now I already put together the starter cut above kit 2 on my channel. So what I like to do is get these cut above kits. They're designed to be like, if you're new to scrapbooking, everything is pre-cut for you and you just have to assemble, follow the instructions listed here, and you create this beautiful layout. And this is so pretty, but I love to take these and make them my own and you know, kind of spruce them up and make them even fancier. So I did the layout 2 already on my channel pretty recently. So this comes with the photo placeholders, the cardstock, like the mats that you'll need. These are stickers. So these are all the stickers that you'll need to complete the layout. And then these are little die cuts that just pop out really easily that you'll use as well. And then the base pages. So you'll put the base pages together like this. And so I will be putting this together pretty soon, I'm sure, because I can't wait. I love these so much. I love using them as a jumping off point. So pretty soon I'll put this together and you'll see the changes that I make. There is this stamp set that you can get that's designed to go with it. I did not get it, so I'll be replacing it with other stamps instead. And finally, I got one more D-ring album. This is the album that I use for all of my scrapbooks, and you will see very soon a project that I did to label the sides of all of my scrapbooks with HTV vinyl with the date. And so I did record that video. I just need to finish editing it, and that will get posted soon. But I love these because the D-ring album makes it really easy to open and close, and I scrap out of order and I scrap all over the place. So the postbound albums just don't work for me because they're too hard to open and close and get new pages in. So this is what I do, and I just love these. They're super high quality. The price is going up on these quite significantly, like $7 or $8. So if you're interested in a new album, then definitely order before the end of August so you can get the lower price. They're $32.95 now, and they're going up to, I want to say $40.95, $39 or $40.95. You can get a free album from me if you register for the album retreat, and I've got all the info for that on my blog. I will link that down in the description below, and I will give you a free album if you purchase the album retreat kit. The album retreat is November 2nd through 4th, and it is you'll create a full album with Close to My Heart, and they're just really amazing pages, and there's techniques in every page that they teach you. It comes with every piece that you need pre-cut, and then they teach the techniques. It's like full day classes. This was hiding. I forgot I ordered this too, the sepia Le Pen. I got the dark gray recently. I really like how these write. They're really nice and smooth and juicy, so I decided to get the brown. Let's take a look at my setup for how I organize my stamp pads and stuff. Okay, so here is my Workspace Wonder. I now have a window in front of my workstation, which is something new to me. I didn't used to have a window, so I've made my Workspace Wonder shorter. So each of these little pieces are individual, and I'll take them out to show you. And I wanted to show you how to put the stamp pad stacks in. So here are my Glacier and Lagoon right now. And you can see that these old styles, they do fit in here, but they'll go back further, so it might be hard to kind of get them out. So you can either put something back there to stop them from going all the way back, or what I was doing is just making sure I keep them at the front. But now I'll just replace these with the new styles, and I'll put these over with my retired style pads. And I've got one more space, but just wanted to show you, I already put my new ones in here. So this is the mini tray, and they have little feet. So the feet just kind of lock right in here so that they don't go anywhere. And then each stamp pad stack holds 5. So this would be able to fit one more on top. You don't need to have a tray on top, but it's nice because it kind of finishes that off, and then you've got room to put little things in the little cubby on the top there. So the way I have mine configured is they're stacks of 2. So each stack is 10 tall. You can go as high as you want. So if you've got a wall in front of you instead of a window, you can go way up and make this skinnier, and then you don't need multiples of 2. Maybe you've got 3 stacks of 3, so you've got 9 total. You can do it however you want. And then there's these single trays, there's these double wide trays, and then over here on top of my ribbon organizer, I even have the triple wide, and so that goes on top of the ribbon organizer. So here's what the ribbon organizer looks like. There are inserts you can get too that kind of help separate them further, but I find that if I just kind of stick them in here, they're easier to get out than have the insert, and then you save a little money. And I just keep it, you know, packed in there so that they're tight. And then I've got all my shimmer trim down here, and they fit perfectly as well. This is the sticky back glitter tape basically. So that's what I keep in my ribbon organizer. And again, it's 2, this is 2 tall, so each of these are their own tray, and I'll link all these down below. And then there's the tool cubbies as well. So I've got 3 of those. I've got like glue, like tall glue kind of things, and miscellaneous tools I don't use quite as much. All my shimmer brushes I keep in here because they need to be stored face up so that they don't leak. I used to keep them sideways like this, and they did okay, but sometimes they would juice out a little bit too much. So this works much better. And then this is all of the tools that I reach for often. These little marker or pen ones are discontinued, so unfortunately you can't get these anymore, but you could add another ribbon organizer down here below, or just have these down on the base, but it's nice to be able to have that vertical space to move up. Here's another configuration idea from Close to My Heart's catalog. As you can see, they've built up and have more paper trays. This is one of my configurations in my old house. I didn't have a very good picture, sorry about that. And then now we're back to my current configuration with a window in front of me. I wanted to show you one other option. This is a carousel for the stamp pad stacks. Basically, it's a lazy Susan on the bottom so it can spin on your workspace. If you use this modular workspace wonder, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know how you use it. I will show you more of my craft room in the future, but it is still very much a work in progress since I recently moved. Here are a couple more videos you might enjoy. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming scrapbooking videos. I post twice a week. Thanks for watching and have a great day.